Welcome back to another episode of Rosengold. I'm your host, IK, and this is our lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Wagwan.
We're going to keep this episode short and sweet since we're getting ready to enter the premiere of Barbie.
/ Oppenheimer. It's a toss-up. IK and I just arrived to the theater, and you know IK and I go to the theater every single day, but today is an event. We have multiple people coming into the theater, storming out of the theater in their Barbie outfits. Both men and women and children are getting in on the Barbie Finanza. So this is going to lead us into our first hot topic, the She's Hot Contest winner. The She's Hot Contest winner for this week is Miss Barbie, because Barbie truly showed out today.
Exactly. The one and only original.
Congratulations on your win.
Exactly. But let's get into our next hot topic with Snoop Dogg and his thoughts on the SAG-AFTRA and writers' strike.
That's right. So Snoop Dogg we're going to put the interview right here.
Streaming got to get their shit together. Explain to me how you can get 1 billion streams and not get $1 million. Like, I don't know who's running the streaming industry, if you in here or not. You need to give us some information on how to track this money down. A lot of us artists is that we do major numbers with streams and this shit, but it don't add up to the money. Like, what is the money? When I first came out, my records would sell based off of physical. If you sold 1 million copies, that means if $9.99, $9 million, you get this percentage, that's what it is. So if I sell how many streams, how much money do I get? It's not being translated and it's not working for the artist right now. And I just want to speak to that.
He was speaking about how he doesn't know anything about streaming platforms, and he doesn't know how they can make they can get 1 billion views, 1 billion streams, and you can at least make 1 million. Personally, IK and I, we've said it before and we're going to say it again. If you've already made $20 million and up, $10 million and up, you should not be complaining. This is for the actors and writers that have not gotten paid, that are getting nickels and dimes, and that's their entire bank account. So,
that's right.
Snoop Dogg, you know what the game is, so.
Exactly, and wasn't Snoop just doing about 16 commercials with Jack in the Box, Netflix,
exactly.
All these different...
His new Fruit Loops, like, cereal, so...
Making his own TV shows, so... And we know Snoop's doing a little bit of hustling in the background since he's over in Atlanta and
Snoop's
LA.
the hustler. He's asking what the hustlers are doing, and he's the hustler.
Exactly. But these were all of our hot topics for today, as we've got to get into the Oppenheimer or Barbie. Right now it's a toss-up.
That's right.
And we'll keep you all posted on what our thoughts are on the film and our recommendations. And one last clip. If you're wondering this was just a little bit of a shaving incident, so putting up a little paper right there. But these were all of our hot topics. We're going to get into our theater, and...
This is the crowd. We out.